Hi, I'm Daniel Jontof-Hutter, Professor of Physics at UOP, and I'm talking about how to spot comet NEOWISE, which is the most exciting comet in a generation. It only comes around once every 7,000 years, so if you get a chance in the next week to get out there and see the comet, go ahead and do so. The comet is fairly far to the north, and luckily for us, it's actually visible before dawn. If you're up at 4:30 in the morning, you'll be able to see it before morning twilight, but also in the evening, and it'll get more and more visible in the next few days as it sets after the sun does in the northwest. So if you're up early in the morning, you'll be able to see NEOWISE really easily. You don't need a telescope. You don't even need binoculars, although it certainly helps. You'll be able to see it really easily at before the sun rises, before morning twilight in the northeast. And in the evenings, from this weekend onwards, for a few days, you should be able to see it in the evenings, setting maybe an hour after twilight ends in the northwest. This comet spends most of its time in the outer solar system, about 10 times as far out from the sun as Pluto. Its visit to the inner solar system is not going to last long. At its closest to Earth, it'll be about 64 million miles away on July 23rd. That sounds far away, but its tail is about 10 million miles long, so we can see this comet fairly easily. However, it is traveling at 50 miles per second, and it'll be too far to see without a telescope by the end of July. The best way to see comet NEOWISE is to find a spot with a clear view of the northwestern horizon, as far as possible from any bright lights. If any streetlights make it hard to find the Big Dipper, you will find it hard to see the comet. The comet will be below the Big Dipper in the evening, but will set soon after twilight ends. Clear skies, everyone!